Welcome to 10 Tollford Hill Road in Bedford, New Hampshire. I'm Ray Durling with the Durling Group at Leading Edge Real Estate, and we're pleased to present this exquisite property to you. Before we enter into the tour, I'd like to introduce you to the architect of this masterpiece, David Ely.
Thank you, Ray. This is a truly custom home. We really enjoyed designing this for the owners of it right now. And it was a difficult site to work with, but we took advantage of it as best we could. In fact, it offered lots of amenities that really weren't visible before the house was built. As you walk up to the house, it's at an angle, so it's open arms welcoming you to the property. We come into the house, and it's just one big volume of space that you come into. One of the things this house has to offer is dynamic views to the east, and we took advantage of that with all the living spaces facing that view. So it's very, very comfortable house. The house has lots of amenities to it, as I said, and where do I start?
I think we ought to invite everybody inside.
I think we ought to also. One thing I do want to mention is the fact that the house was designed to accommodate a family. And there are very comfortable spaces for a family in here. The small sunken living room, the sunroom off the kitchen, very small, intimate spaces. But the house also is very accommodating to larger parties and group gatherings.
Beautiful. Thank you, David. Enjoy the tour. Thank you for watching our tour. Again, this is Ray Durling of the Durling Group at Leading Edge Real Estate. Please call us or your agent and schedule your private tour of 10 Tollford Hill Road in Bedford, New Hampshire today. Thank you.